You learn a language, it is very important to persevere. The more you learn, the more your English improves. The more you learn, the better your English will become. Now, I would like to move on to the next topic. The picture is a picture on the right side is a Brunei delegate, whom I met at an international conference. English is an international lingua franca, and most information exchange is done in English. The picture on the left side was taken in London, where I could meet and talk with various people from diverse backgrounds in the local pub. Accordingly, it was the starting point for developing an understanding of Europe and Japan.